Hello, my first graders. I have a little problem. Do you hear that? Do you hear it? It's so loud for me. I don't know if you can hear it. I have such a wonderful purring problem who jumped up here at the end of recording the kindergarten math while I was setting it up to post on YouTube. Guess who came and jumped up here? And she is just purring away. She is purring away. I'm going to try and scooch her in a second, but I thought that you would definitely want to see this. Auntie! Yeah, who's purring? But I need to scooch you because I need to put my whiteboard here so we can practice word problems. Okay? Can I scooch you? I'm just a little. Let's scooch you just there. Now you're just like another member of the class. Yeah, that's my computer, not yours. Okay? All right, are you ready, OJ? Are you ready? Oh, I can't quite fit it. Hang on. We'll just make some, oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're fine. I think I startled her. I was trying to this. There we go. Okay, are we ready? So we've been talking about word problems and working with addition. So I have a word problem here. Let's see if you remember how we're going to solve it. Miss Thompson's class has 2 tables. 5 students are sitting at, oh, that should be 1 table. Is that your table, OJ? At 1 table. There we go. She jumped to sit on the chair beside me because she knows about our no pets rule. Okay, let's start this over again now that I've spelled all the words correctly. Miss Thompson's class has 2 tables. 5 students are sitting at 1 table and 6 students are sitting at the other table. How many students are in her class? Okay, so what do we know? Okay, we know that she has 2 tables. Okay, 5 students are at 1 table and 6 students are sitting at the other table. Okay, now hang on. Before you add all those 3 together, this one's trying to trick you. There is no reason for us to put the 2 in there. That's an extra number. Confuse you. Does it matter how many tables she has? What matters is we know that 5 students are sitting at a table and 6 students are sitting at a table. That's what we know. Okay? What do we need to know? We need to know how many students are in her class. So what are we going to do with the 5 and the 6? We're going to add. So what is 5 plus 6? 11. 11 what? 11 students in her class. Awesome job remembering all those steps. Where'd you put the eraser, Oj? It's over here. All right, good job. Who's proud of you? I'm very proud of you. All right, so, and we are working on sums up to 11 now, okay? So, yeah, isn't that exciting? It's so exciting, isn't it? She says, I want to learn. Okay, so we're going to make a list of our addition equations that make 11, just like we've done for our other numbers, all right? And I want you to read the addition equation out loud, okay? 11 plus 0 equals 11, okay? 9 plus 11, 8 plus 3 equals, oh, that was really close together. 11, 7 plus 4 equals 6 plus 5 equals 11. 5 plus 6 equals 11. 4 plus 7 equals 11. 3 plus 8 equals 11. 2 plus 9 equals 11. 1 plus 10 equals 11. 11. Oh, I can see those hands shooting up in the air. I see the patterns. I see the patterns. I bet you do. We have lots of patterns, don't we? We have 11 plus 0 is the same as 0 plus 1. We have 10 plus 1 is the same as 1 plus 10. 9 plus 2 and 2 plus 9. 8 plus 3 and 3 plus 8. 7 plus 4 and 4 plus 7. And 6 plus 5 and 5 plus 6. And why? Why? Because of the commutative property of addition, which states it doesn't matter what order you add your numbers, it will still equal the same sum. Oh, she growled at me. You need some help down? Oh, nope, she flopped over again. I sometimes have to help OJ down when she's up on things like chairs or the couch because it hurts her joints to jump down. Do you need some help? Do you need some help? Of course, she's stubborn and she's gonna go anyway. I tried. All right, awesome. Okay, so now I hope you are still practicing those other math facts because we're gonna practice it together. Yep. I'm gonna help you with a couple. Okay, first thing you're going to do is put your name on the top. Always, 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 okay? You know, I'm going to probably cut this paper faster than you. Please do not rush. Please make sure you are only cutting out one. You're far away from my teacher magic, also known as tape. Okay. And we're gonna trim. And we are going to be responsible with our trash. Have a trash can. Oop. That is right there. Okay, I will help you with a couple because you got this. Yes, you do. Yeah, you do. There won't be any arguing. You got this. All right, so we're going to cut and paste the ice cream scoops that match the sum on the cone. What is a sum? The answer to addition. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, so we'll start with an easy peasy one. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we're gonna take that one, move it right there. This one is so hard. 8 plus 1. You guys are so good. It's 9, of course. I knew that. Totally knew that. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 7 plus 4 equals 11. Yep. We're going to glue that right down there, and you will continue doing that with all the other ice cream scoops. You can either finish that later, or you can pause here and finish, hit play and turn the page when you are ready. Ooh, are you excited about this? I'm so excited about this. You love these practice pages, and we've got some different sums this time. Okay. Oh, let's see. Color, color, color. I'm going to use a pretty yellow. So remember, with our true and false, we're going to color the gumballs that are true to find a path from the start to the gumball machine. It's going to wind its way through here, okay? So this first one, it's probably going to be true because that's where you're starting. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So I'm going to color mine super neatly. I'm going to outline the gumball so my eyes see where the marker should stop. I can always, or crayon, I can always go back in and finish coloring it in. And then remember, they can only go left to right or up and down. They cannot go diagonal. Okay, so let's try this one. 5 plus 3 equals 10. Is that true or false? That's false. So I'm not going to color the gumball, but so I don't keep looking and checking the same ones, I'm going to put a little X in the corner, just a teeny tiny little X. So my eyes see I already counted that one. Now I'm going to go here. 7 plus 1 equals 8. True or false? Yep, it is true. Here's some kind of outline. There we go. I'm on a roll going down, so let's go down one more. 6 plus 1 equals 8. Pretty sure 6 plus 1 equals 7. So there's my little X, and I'm going to go this way. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Yes. And if I didn't have that X, I would have the risk of going up here and checking this one again. So now at least I know I can go either to the side or down. Okay, and you will continue that on your own. You got this. You can either pause and finish it now and hit play when you're ready to turn the page, or finish it later and turn the page with me. Number bonds. Oh, the number bonds. Those are so fun, aren't they? Yep, they are super duper fun. Okay, so we're asking ourselves, the directions, complete the number bond. We are asking ourselves, what number plus 3 equals 6? What would we add to 3 to get 6? Okay, you can use your fingers to count on if you're stuck. 3, 4, 5, 6. Which makes sense because 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, what plus 5 equals 8? Again, you can use your fingers to count on. So 5, always going to start with all my fingers down, okay, because I'm counting on from that number. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I held up 3 fingers until I got to 8. So 3 plus 5, does that equal 8? Okay, I'll help you with one more because we did something similar to this the other day. So I want to see you practice, okay? And if you truly are not understanding the number bonds, please tell your grown-up to tell me, all right? And I will do a completely separate lesson just on number bonds, okay? Which you've got to communicate and let me know if you're still confused, okay? After a couple of times practicing, if you really, truly are not understanding, then you need to tell your grown-up to let me know, all right? If we were in school, in person, I could tell if you were still confused. But it's a little different when you're watching a recorded lesson. So please do not be shy about communicating with your grown-up. If you really don't understand this, we can meet one-on-one. I can reteach it, all right? And we'll get it to the point where you understand, all right? We got this. What plus 2 equals 5? So 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. Oh my goodness. All of these all the way across for 3s. It's like tic-tac-toe, 3 in a row. Ah! That's not going to be the case for the rest of them. This was like, I think, truly coincidence. All right, so you guys are going to try and do the rest of those on your own. You've got this. You have so got this. And we have reached the time in the evening when OJ decides she must be fed. So she's sitting on the floor looking at me like, hey, she has to wait until we're all done, huh? Yep. All right. But what a special treat. They only do that at night after Lynn's in bed. So again, if you're still confused, you're grown up, have your grown up, let me know. All right. And you've got this. You got this. All right. You are awesome. I'm so proud of you. You're such hard workers. You really are. Be very determined. All right. And I'll see you in the next one.